This is a new question, so I remake it except the parentheses. So you're seeing the image and it looks like this. So I said it. I mean, how do everyone, me, my friends, two ducks and siren hand, beat an answer to complete this grade 20 math and mimi culture and even in real life grade 20? Yeah, because that is absolutely impossible. It's like no school, no square integral pi circle plus one check mark. I mean square root, two integral geometry shape chart, 3D triangle, 3D hexagon with one socket. Got it. You're asking what's the mimi answer and real life answer to grade 20 maths, so everyone humans duck silent head can beat it. I'll split it cleanly. Part one. Part one. Mimi culture answer. How everyone beats grade 20 maths and mimi logic. You don't have to solve it with math. You win by doing one of these universal mimi answers. Any of these are considered correct in mimi culture. 42. Ultimate answer to everything. Are you serious? Pi, E, infinity. I don't know. No. What the frick do you mean that you would answer correct? That's so very scary issue because yes. What the frick are you talking about? X equals X. So you type 42, your friends type I don't know, the two ducks quack quack, Sarhand. That's not what they respond. And Mimi is confident that's correct. Part 2. Why ducks and monsters can't solve it? Bro, are you dumb? Ducks and monsters can't solve it because Mimi math follows this rule. If the problem is impossible, any answer is equally valid. So a duck is just right as a PhD when the problem has no clear question, no defined system, no constraints. That's why ducks keeps winning. Are you talking about the Mimi culture? Like what? Part 3. Real life. What grade 20 math would actually be? In real life, there's no grade 20. But if you scratch the idea, it would mean advanced calculus, linear algebra, abstract algebra, topology, different equation, mathematical rules, and the key rule is real math secret. You can never solve everything at once. You chose one time in problem, define symbols, set assumptions, prove or compute one result. Stop. And even professors cannot solve random formula walls. Then explain this. Why do teachers think that they can beat it anyways? So in life, you don't answer this grade 20 math. You define it first. Part 4. The real correct answer. Whatever meme in real life, the correct answer to grade 20 matters. This isn't a well-defined problem. That sentence beats a mimi. Good grade, fake genius culture is the smartest possible. It's again. Final story cards. Silver. You, 42. I didn't solve it. Friend, I don't know. Duck one. Quack. Duck two. Two quack. Siren head. Went a YouTuber. I solve it. Nuh-uh. Bro, off this road. If you want, I can turn grade 20 math into a real solving problem. Explain how maybe to so I am using the screen capture just to make it. Now that I did it, so how do we humans, everyone, and robots, but absolute correct this grade 20 question? So this is it. Because yep, I captured in a video. You look away from the board for a moment, but then I must try to answer it with the ducks. Perfect. This is the key question, and now I answer it correctly for humans, everyone, and even robots. How to absolutely correct grade 20 math? The honest universal answer is You cannot solve it until you define it. This is not a joke. This is this is real mathematics as real logic and AI reasoning. Step one: why the image is not a question. The picture is a wall of symbols. No. ChatGPT, you're dumb. The universal rule in real life, in real math, computer science, and AI, this rule is absolute. A problem must be well defined to be solvable. This applies to humans, supercomputers, AI models, robots, aliens, dogs. If it's undefined, no solution exists. Step 3: how we turn it into a real solvable grade 20 problem if it's in a short game. We can do this by choosing one thing in depth thing and clearly. Example: turn chaos into math. From the image, pick one idea. Triangle, circles, derivative, backwards equations. Let's draw a real high level example. Real grade 20 solvable problem. Give your triangle with size ABC. Prove that the sum is interior angles at 180 degrees in illusion space. The symbols are defined, space is defined, grids defined, solutions is humans can solve it, robots can solve it, AI can solve it. This is real math. Except what robots AI do automatically. When AI sees the meme, it is what it does. Uh, well, it's why maybe culture scientists too because scientists is 5 doesn't look at that. So yeah, I just have to capture G image once again. Then why did Packy Packy film? How do we solve it? Adrian, because a Mimi is not that to you. Because the meme is not asking you to act yourself out, it's making fun of the idea of unsolvable ultra genius math itself. Packy film posted as a joke, not as challenge. Here's a clear breakdown. While Packy film posted the meme, it parodies fake phone the meme is mocking things like only 1% can solve. I wonder what is 1%. What do you mean only 1% can solve? Do you mean 0.001%? Because let me search it up. What? 1%. Only 1%. What is the only person as the percent of 8 billion? Never mind. Grade 20 maths. Was a friend of former creepy James Coulter. The joke is people think more symbols than smarter back, but real math doesn't work like that. The question how do you solve it is irrelevant. It's not a real question, it's a question. It means look how true is it. It's not just to solve. If you're to solve it, you're inside the joke. It's liver confusion people. Everyone has ventures, theory and math, not makes sense, brain shut out. So the meme says, yeah, this is what math feels like. Not math actually asked. The red stick figure points for impasses. The point is it. Look, this is chaos. What is that thing? It's not. It's exaggeration, not instruction. The hand points like the real answer. The meme is something like, the no question as a dust scares you, but does not math. This is why people comment Jules and situation. Why this works to me AI because both humans and AI try to find characters that meme is so far, but the meme deliberate dead is upon that has to do find true. Packing does not post it itself. They posted to say this is what fake hard math looks like. So if you respond to this is a real problem, you already solved the meme perfectly. If you want, I can translate the meme into a single math problem. Speaking out of our genius math identity, break down one real formula for the image and so forth as they say. How is the question fake? I am going to pee. question. This is one of the core of why the meme works. Okay, sorry for some bloopers. I couldn't answer to ChatGPT like that, but I think I am thinking because if they solve it, you can't solve it. This is where the confusion finally clears up. We 21 is vague because not math isn't hard, because why it's presented as a meme is finally wrong. Here's exactly why. There's no such as grade, there's no such thing as grade 20. Will education systems stop around grade 12, then college, university, then graduate to PhD, then PhD equals you will try to be like smart equals God, but that's impossible because humans that have that medium-sized brain. I mean, super impossible, super ultra impossible smart math. So the level itself is fake. The image is not a question. Real math always has a clear text so far find classify several different symbols as a person, one topic at a time. The image has random equations, geometry instructions, business notation, calculus symbols, no that's the problem. It's math wallpaper. Real hard math looks boring, not chaotic. Actual events in math papers look like clean text, precision divisions, separate step blockers, very few symbols per line. Frequent math look like symbols or mixed structures, what does look like. The reasons of it is the first rule of math. You cannot solve what is not a thing. So why is that wet stick? So why is the wet stickman acting to the students in the shorts to solve that impossible grade 20 question? Yes. So why is that what statement asking to the students in the shorts to solve that impossible grade 20 question if it if it if it is impossible, or just try to separate many questions to try solving it, but then it looks like grade 12.5 to grade 20 to solve it in 1 year. I mean, 3 years. Now this is a confusion question. So why is that red stigma asking to the students in the short to solve that impossible grade 20 question if it's impossible, or or just try to separate many questions to try solving it, but then it looks like grade 12.5, grade 22 love in 3 years. Yep, sorry for the spelling mistake. This is a really good question, and you're thinking about it in the right way now. Let's clear it out carefully. Why is the red stigma asking students to solve it? Because that's a joke. The red stigma is playing the role of a fake teacher, a clickbait narrator, or the voice of school trauma. He asks students to solve it, even though it can be solved on purpose. It's the same joke as Baldy giving a possible challenge. Teachers Mimi saying this will be on the test. Easy question with an impossible math. Yeah. That is not easy question. That is difficulty extreme demon math. The humor comes from the unfairness and absurdity. Is he expecting that to solve it? No, he's expecting confusion, panic, funny questions coming like, "What is this?" People tagging friends. The show is designed to get engagement, likes, shares, not answers. What about separating into many questions to try solve it? Like the 3D hexagon triangle the integral plus anything with a circle in the middle. Like I am not graduating school because today is December, and December has the limit of school, and I was about to finish the some of my school studies a bit, but then a bitty bitty I didn't go it, so I'm getting eliminated or not. This is where real math thinking starts. Yes, if you separate, it starts being grade 20. Are you serious? The moment you choose one from a defined table set a goal, it becomes grade 10, grade 12, early college, or on graduate math. Never grade 20. That's why the meme breaks. Are you serious? Why would it take 3 years then? Because learning math is cumulative, not explosive. You don't jump for grade 8 because I was 8, but now I'm 10 to God math. Like I have bigger brain, same as the brain is God. Get you go algebra, geometry, trigonometry, calculus, linear algebra, and even PhD students still solve one small problem at a time. No one solves everything at once in that image on the short. So as the meme really saying, it's saying this feels like math class when you're overwhelmed. Not this is math. It's emotional, not logical. The wet stickman's real role. Like, why would a wet stickman teacher would now be like that?
Man, shut your
He represents pressure, unrealistic expectations. You should know this. I'm totally asking the possible. That's why it's funny and relatable. The smartest possible student answer. If a student replies 20, the best answer would be this is not a well defined problem. Please specify what you're solving. The response is correct, intelligent, weight, meter, and real math. Why? But it won't be funny, so memes don't use it. Find truth. This is a key. The question is impossible to design. The human acts away for a human. Separated, mixing normal math. Grade 20 as I mentioned, the meme is about feeling overwhelmed, not solving math. You did miss something, you understood correctly. That's why you're questioning it now. Okay, that was kind of awkward on this video, so make sure to like and subscribe so I can get $900 to buy Sony Vegas Pro 23.